jump over this log to get here.
Caught a fish.
And we got a nice little hole right here in the beach area. We can do some tanning. I guys see ya.
Yeah, I'm making a creek fishing video, so
Your phone's clearer than mine.
stay tuned, boys, guys,
I'm gonna put
girls.
my glasses
Well,
on.
guys, Trotter got him another one. I tried to get it on video, but I couldn't. On this little island spot we just found way back here in the woods.
Cool, pretty brim. Sorry for the glasses. Dude, that's 3 casts in a row. Just got off.
Well, guys,
Oh my
got him back. Oh, that's a bigger one, dude.
Did you see that?
So we put him
Dude,
in the
what
water.
is this?
Dude, I don't
What
know.
is this
Dude,
fish?
That's like a.
It's like an
What the
ancient.
crap?
Look at his eyes, guys. Hold on. Dude, hold on. If y'all are still on here, like, look at this. Look at this.
That was crazy. Did y'all see that, guys?
Gosh, he's so dark. It's like a bass, like, crappie brim mix. It's so weird. I just dropped it.
What do you think
in.
about that, Shiggy?
Sugi thinks it's awesome. She really just wants to eat it, but dude, these mosquitoes are bothering me.
Yeah, mosquitoes are killing me.
It's like we're on a little mosquito island.
We are. You ain't want to bump it again. Well, guys, we are walking through a bunch of thick crap, and it's hot as crap, and there's probably snakes everywhere. And I'm probably gonna say a bad word if we see one. We just walked through a bunch of stuff to get back here.
Oh my gosh, this looks good.
Yeah, it does look really good.
There's that.
Good.
Yeah. Look, there's that.
We gotta walk this bank.
I can't find a deer on camera, but still seeing. Always find a deer.
All right, here we go.
I'm fixing to check these texts. Sugar.
Stay tuned.
Oh my.
Well, guys, I got another one. I wish y'all could have seen that. We're getting killed by mosquitoes, but we're finding some good spots. So,
Got him.
oh, that's a
That looks skinnier, didn't it?
yeah, that's a
Oh,
pickerel.
creek fish.
Oh, that was a
Oh
pickerel.
my god.
No, that was a
Yes.
pickerel.
Yeah, no, but no, that's what I used to call
So
it.
stay tuned, see man. All right, guys, you can see
I
you got
just
one.
took one.
That's a bass. Holy crap!
Dude, we just caught a bass out of the creek. First one ever.
Dang. Second
He
one,
was
remember?
barely hooked too. Yeah, second one, but first one that we've landed.
Oh yeah, first one that we. Yeah, that's right.
Dude, let's go. There's bass in the creek,
Oh,
baby.
I'm getting butt.
Look, something's done
Oh,
nipped
oh.
his tail too.
Yep.
All right, see y'all guys. We're gonna catch more. They're not the same
No,
fish,
it's
I
not.
promise.
All right, here's another one. Yeah.
Another one on the cricket.
I wish we could get it like on video, but
It's so hard to sit and look. when we're
storage and stuff. Yeah. I felt like it.
here. This sucker
Pretty one.
ate it too.
Yeah, you did. God, I hate mosquitoes. You people in the north, be lucky that you don't have mosquitoes. Look at that. I just about got my hook. Gosh. Guys, I got a pickerel or a pike, a baby pike or whatever. CT just had one. Whatever you want to call these things. Guys, look at this one CT just caught. Look how pretty that thing is. I got a pickerel, that's what he's got.
Looks like a goldfish. I'm not even legit.
It does. It's fat too.
Dude, that's a pretty freaking fish right there.
Yes, it is.
It's like a long ear. You see how long his little fins are? I don't know if that's what it's called. I mean, it just makes sense.
Yeah.
He's got
Alright
one.
guys, stay tuned.
That's the one that looks.
Well guys, I was just gonna show y'all this while we were back here. There is a beaver living back here. And he ain't a small one. At all. He is not a small one.
I'll say he falls over.
So we're about to fish. Alright, we got to fish right here, guys. So stay tuned.
It's a long ear. See his little.
Well guys, we just doubled up like back to back.
One's
CT
got
caught
a
another
pretty
one
one,
like
pretty
that,
long
and then
ear.
I just caught one of them.
Right on the bank, like I was like this
He was
casting
throwing right
from
there,
me.
and I was throwing right there. He came up from up under there. That is a pretty fish.
We found these little holes right here, and these fish love them. Dang it, bro! I just lost it. Oh, that's one off.
Well guys, I just got one. Look at this, Trotter.
Say more.
Pretty one.
I was looking for my deer tracks, and then freaking show you. You know, you gotta do that to me like that.
That's a good one. Shuggy. Holy crap.
Oh my god. Dude, that bass is bigger than the ones in my pond. Let's see.
What's up, guys? Just caught this sucker out of this creek. Let's go. First big bass that we've caught out of this creek ever. I knew it was a big one, too.
Oh, dude. He's bigging for a creek. No, Shuggy. Guys, we got another one. We just moved to this new spot right here. Because it looked pretty sweet. And
It was pretty sweet.
it turned out pretty sweet. Look at that. Pretty good one. It's a long geared. Stay tuned for more awesome fish. Well, guys, right after we threw that one back,
Got another baby. Look at the little black things on his fins. It's so
pretty
weird.
cool. And guys, I got one. A little tiny one, but I mean, hey, he works. Got some bass bait. MCT's got a big one. A big one stick.